Hi guys. Let's see how to check network adapter information in Windows 10 computer. Network cards are pre-installed on computers, enabling users to connect to the internet service. You can have problems with internet connectivity while accessing the internet on your PC. In these circumstances, you might need to go further into the network-related data to identify the problem. This step-by-step tutorial will demonstrate two distinct ways to verify your Windows 10 computer's network card or network adapter information. Method 1. For this method, we will be using the built-in System Information tool. First of all, open the Start menu and search for the term misinfo32. Now, from the search results, click on System Information. Now, in the window that opens, go to Components Network Adapter. You can now scroll through the list of adapters in the right side pane. Method 2. In this method, we will make use of the Command Prompt tool. Open the command prompt on your computer. In the command prompt, enter the following command. Once you hit the enter key, it will give you information about network devices you have, including the MAC address, supported speed, and name as shown in Device Manager. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.